Welcome today to my Blooming TV. Thank you so much for joining me. I want to appreciate you for your comment, your like, and your support. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick, easy dinner. Are you too lazy to get up, prep, and do a whole lot for dinner? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Ninja Foodi grill. It's a 5-in-1 grill to make a very easy dinner. We are going to be using the air crisp function, and we are going to be using the crisper basket. Remember, it has a splatter guard or a shield that prevents oil from splattering on your food. And so tonight I'm going to be using frozen French fries and frozen breaded cod. And for those who do not like fish, I have cut up some chicken breasts. So this is chicken fingers, and I seasoned that already a few hours ago with adobo seasoning, cayenne pepper to your taste, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of chicken stock powder. Okay, let's get right to it. Please do not forget to like this video, enjoy it, share with your family, and give me a big thumbs up. All right, let's get right. is ready with some French fries. So that was cooked from frozen, and the French fries was also cooked from frozen. The Ninja does an amazing job. Like, this has been cooling for some time before I made my chicken fingers, and as you can see, it's really crispy. And then the chicken fingers, so my first batch I didn't spray cooking oil, and the second one I did. I have looked at the two, I have tried it. The taste is just the same. I can't see any difference. So you can have this as a quick dinner for the day you want to indulge in your fish Fridays or fish Mondays or whatever day you choose. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. Turn on the notification bells for new videos weekly. And until next time, when I bring you another exciting recipe on my Blooming TV, have a blessed and wonderful day.
1, 2, 3.